a marriage for the governor. I can tell you that. Because I can't believe at this level a man can reduce himself. He has forgotten all he said. Where is the permanency? I named this after you. I named this after your wife. What have I not done? You said we should not be part of government. We have left. We have managed it. We have not tried. You have taken assembly money. They are not dying of hunger, and they will not die of hunger. We are okay. I'm focused in my job in Abuja. All this envy because they couldn't get to the level I am. Because what's all about? When I was plotting who will become governor, was he there? Even when this governor was born, he was complaining to people. How can they go and be somebody who cannot stand before the public to talk? Today, he's doing Christmas carol for him. Even when I was governor, he did for me. Just to stay, hang around power. Yeah, governor for 8 years, you are not satisfied. It is now you think that you'll be satisfied. In the 6th month of the illegal governor death, your mayor, ask Dr. Peter Odili.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In that video that you listened to, that was the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, speaking in the Thanksgiving event inside a church in Port Harcourt, where he seemed to have given up in the battle for which of the State House of Assembly is the authentic one in Rivers State, amid the recent development, which is that Governor Simi Fubara has presented a budget of 2025 worth 1.1 trillion to the Victor Okojumbo-led 4-member House of Assembly of Rivers State. Recall that the other members, about 26 or 27 of them, who were elected under the platform of the People's Democratic Party in December 2023, defected to the All Progressive Congress in violation of Section 1091G of the 1999 Constitution, under which premise that Simi Fubara and the PDP believe that they have lost their membership of the National Assembly, but they are still claiming to be the authentic House of Assembly of the state, led by Martin Amehule. In fact, it was at the Thanksgiving of Amehule that former Governor Wike, now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, responded to Peter Odili, who called him out for trying to turn the state to his private estate, and thanking Simi Fubara, the incumbent governor, for stopping him from achieving his alleged aim. Now, when you listen to that video, there are so many things that was said which we are going to react to put in perspective. Because some people are running away with what Nyesom Wike has said. Some are not even scrutinizing some of these things. Okay? But one of the takeaway first is that Nyesom Wike, in that statement, in that speech, appeared to have given up. Appears to have given up. You could see where he said, "You said we should not be a part of government." He said we should not be part of government. We have left. We are managing. We have not cried. You have taken assembly money. You have taken assembly money. They are not dying of hunger, and they will not die of hunger. In other words, he was saying that you say we should not be part of government. He was talking about, I believe, that the state assembly. He was talking about the state assembly. And don't forget that occasion, that church service, Thanksgiving service, was a Thanksgiving service organized by Martin Amehule, who is the speaker for the defected PDP lawmakers that defected from PDP to APC. Okay. So he said, we have not cried. You have taken assembly money. You say that we should not be part of government. In other words, giving indication that it appears that Nyesom Wike and that group, because that group that defected are PDP members that defected to APC. They were alleged to have been instigated to do that defection by Nyesom Wike for some reason, best known to them. But now you know that they are claiming they didn't defect. But there are several videos where Amehule said that they did their homework, that they have defected. And they cited even that section 109. 1G, saying that they took notice of all those and defected. But unfortunately for them, the PDP at the time they defected was not having any challenges. Okay, so that gives the impression from what Nyesom Wike said in Port Harcourt at that Thanksgiving service, that they have accepted their fate. But you never can tell. But that is what it seems from that his speech. He said, we should not be part of government. We have left. That is an indication, a statement of surrender in the struggle for which assembly is the authentic one. And this is coming. And it's just after this speech by Wike, the governor, Simi Fubara, has presented a 1.1 trillion budget to the Victor Okojombo-led four-man State House of Assembly. And, this video is also a reaction to what Nyesom Wike said. And we have three reactions we're going to look at, so that for clarity, so that people will be able to understand before they make their final judgment on what Nyesom Wike said. One of the things Nyesom Wike said in that video you're listening to is that I can't believe at this level a man can reduce himself to the level that Odili supposedly reduced himself. He said that he named things after maybe some infrastructures after Odili and after his wife, and said, what have I not done? Of course, because you name something after somebody does not mean that when the person finds that you are not doing right in a particular aspect, he will not say anything. Okay? Because what he is trying to say is like, just as himself, Nyesom Wike, is building houses for judges in Abuja. Is he saying that if the judges give out a case against him, rule against him, that he's going to feel it bad because he provided accommodation, he built houses for them? Because that's the impression. Because you named a structure after Odili doesn't mean that you have bought his conscience. He has a right to point out wherever he sees things are going wrong. Okay? That's the thing that Nyesom Wike didn't think about before making that statement, that I named this after Odili, I named this after his wife. What have I not done? It's not about what you have done. It is about the conscience of Odili. Have you bought his conscience? The man's conscience was not bought. Because if you say that he must be indebted to you forever, whatsoever you do, you're not supposed to be against your actions. Is to say, therefore, that the quarters you are building for judges in Abuja, you will feel offended if the judges rule against anything that you are interested in or says anything against you. That will probably be the interpretation a reasonable person can give to it. So because you do all those for them doesn't mean that all the lawyers will keep quiet if they see that something is going wrong in Rivers State. Now, he was talking about that all these things that they are doing, it is because of envy, that they couldn't get to the level where he is now, where Nyesom Wike is now. Say they are envious. Why should Odili be envious of where you are? What are you? You were a governor for 8 years. Odili was a governor for 8 years. Now you are a minister. Did Odili knows any ambition to be a minister? I don't think so. I don't think Odili knows ambition to be a minister after 8 years in government as governor. And I do not think that was a priority to him. Odili self did not even want to go to the Senate, which has become a fashion now in several states, whereby when the governor finishes 8 years, he goes to the Senate. That was not his agenda. He went into private life. And he deserved the respect of his choices. So there's nothing to envy that Nyesom Wike, after being governor, he became minister of FCT. A minister, which is an appointee that Tinubu can wake up in the wrong side of the bed tomorrow and say, look, this man can't continue to be my minister. And that will be the end of the story. In any case, being a powerful minister has been assumed is nothing new. Rotimi Amechi was a powerful minister. Minister of Transportation was a powerful minister that Rotimi Amechi was minister for 8 years under Buhari. So it's nothing new that a governor of Rivers State had become a minister in a strategic ministry. Because the transportation ministry was a strategic ministry. It was a big deal that Amechi was minister of transportation for 8 years. So Amechi has also transited from being governor of Rivers State to being minister. So why would Amechi envy him? Why would Amechi do that? Or why would Odili be envious that Wike is minister of FCT when Amechi had reached that position? And Amechi has also played a key role. Amechi did not only play a key role in the emergence of APC presidency in 2015. Amechi performed well in the presidential primaries of the APC. He came second. He beat the vice president that time, Yemi Osibanjo. Okay, but some of the people sabotage him. Some northern politicians sabotage Amechi. He would have been the candidate of the party. So he gave a good fight. So I don't think there's anything that Odili and Amechi and co should be envious of Nyesom Wike because he's the minister of FCT for now. And one other issue he raised is that he said that Odili was governor for 8 years and you are not satisfied. It is now that you think that you'll be satisfied. Before that, question he posed should also be a question he should pose to himself, because there are many people who are also thinking in that line, saying, look, Nyesom Wike, you have been governor for 8 years. If you are satisfied, why don't you allow Simi Fubara to concentrate in his job? Why don't you give him a space? Because many people, even from Rivers State, are saying that all the crisis is because you are not happy that your structures were being neglected by the governor and stuff like that. So this same question he was asking Peter Odili, say you are governor for 8 years, you are not satisfied. It's also a question that many Rivers State people and other Nigerians are asking the former governor. You have been governor for 8 years. Are you satisfied? If you are satisfied, then let us see the reflection in Rivers State. Let us see that Fubara is allowed to run the state. Let's stop the idea of going to court to stop allocation of Rivers State. Let's stop all those things that are distracting the governor, trying to stop allocation of Rivers State from getting to Rivers governor. Let's stop it if we are satisfied after 8 years. So you cannot expect, if you are challenging Odili that he was not satisfied after 8 years, the question will be, are you also satisfied after your own 8 years? And if you are satisfied, why all this crisis in Rivers State? Rivers State want to hold a local government election that other states were holding. Rivers State own became an issue. Why all this? If you are satisfied in your own case after your own 8 years. Because this is tantamount to Keto calling Port black. That's my understanding. I don't know what you think about this Nyesom Wike's intervention or reaction to Peter Odili's calling him out for allegedly trying to turn the state into his private estate. What is your position on this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. And do you think that the Nyesom Wike, by his statement, that you say we don't want us in government, we have left it for you, do you think that sincerely he has given up, that his camp has given up about the issue of which House of Assembly is the authentic House of Assembly in Rivers State? Do you think, or you think that they are biding their time to strike? Don't forget, this matter will eventually get to the Supreme Court. How safe do you think Fubara is as all these things continue to unfold? And looking at the way our judiciary is and the Supreme Court, what do you think will happen when this matter gets to Supreme Court? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.